We'll guide you through how to fix VS Code Autocomplete not working. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code and go to the settings by clicking on the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. From there, select Settings from the menu. In the Settings panel, type Auto in the search bar at the top to quickly filter options related to autocomplete. Make sure the Editor Quick Suggestions option is checked. This setting enables suggestions for code completion as you type. Next, verify that Editor Suggest on trigger characters is also checked. This ensures that autocomplete suggestions appear when you type special characters like a dot or a comma. If these settings are correctly enabled but autocomplete is still not functioning, you may need to reload the window. Do this by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus P to open the command palette, then type Reload Window and press Enter. This action restarts the editor and can resolve many issues. Another important step is to check if any extensions are causing conflicts. Go to the extensions icon on the sidebar and try disabling recently installed extensions one by one to see if the problem is resolved. Lastly, make sure your language server is properly installed and running. For example, if you're coding in JavaScript, ensure you have the JavaScript language server installed. You can check this by looking at the output panel in VS Code for any error messages related to the language server. If everything seems in order and the problem persists, it's a good idea to update VS Code to the latest version by going to Help and checking for updates. Sometimes, bugs in older versions can affect functionality like autocomplete. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.